evening, interns. Good evening, Komal ma'am. So everybody is joining right now. So interns, this is our final class today. Good evening, Rishi sir. So this is our final class today. Okay, and I won't be able to teach anything. The reason is that there are two topics left. Okay, and both the topics cannot get completed in 2 days. Okay, one is defensive security and another one is smartphone pen testing. Okay, so you need an additional setup for it. Okay, but I will be telling you what to do next, how to cover these two topics also, and how to cover additional things also. Okay, so I'll be giving you a walkthrough what to do after this particular internship. Okay, so we'll wait until everybody joins. Okay, so I think these are the students who will be joining in. Okay, so as I said that this is our final class today. Okay, because the two topics remaining, defensive security and the mobile phone pen testing, these two topics cannot be getting completed in 2 days. So I'll be telling you what to do next. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen. I'll be telling you some courses and certifications that you need to work on. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, this is what you need to do next. Okay, I'll explain one by one what these things are. This is a course applied ethical hacking and rules of engagement. Okay, this is a course on Udemy. Okay, so it gets free in some times, all right. So and it gets paid also. Okay, so you can go for this particular course. Why? Because this particular course is something that will give you an all-round knowledge of what you will get basics of ethical hacking. Okay, then you will be getting CTFs, easy, medium, hard. There are I think 10 CTFs. Okay, on hack the box of hack the box, I guess. Okay, then this particular course gives you web app pen testing, then knowledge of programming language, that is Python, then knowledge of Linux fundamentals and Windows fundamentals also. Then it goes for the defensive security also. Okay, in that particular part you will be learning first the offensive thing is Cobalt Strike, which is a very important tool. Okay, you will learn that particular tool over here. Then you will know how defensive security work in companies, what are SIEM tools. Okay, and it will be training you on some of the SIEM tools also. So it is a complete course, okay, to make you an ethical hacker, proper ethical hacker which is industry ready. Okay, see, I have given foundational training to you all. Okay, whatever I was able to give. Okay, the reason was why we lacked was that because I gave a topic to Shishant sir, which was web application pen testing. Okay, due to some circumstances he took a whole lot of time in that particular part. Okay, and in some ways I was also absent on some of the classes. Okay, so these were some of the things which didn't go well, but I'll be giving you what to do next. Okay, so this is a particular course which will provide you complete training from basic to advanced. Okay, you will be industry ready after this particular thing. Okay, then the next course come, which is offensive penetration testing. This particular course is on Sabrary. I think it is free. Okay, or it gets free every month. Okay, what Sabrary does is Sabrary free some of the courses every month. Okay, so you can go over there, you can learn, and you can take the certification. Okay, so in offensive security, it will tell you each and every aspect how to attack a particular system. Okay, what is offensive part, how to attack. Okay, all your basics will be cleared over here. Okay, and it will give you intermediate knowledge also. Then in UK will go for advanced penetration testing. Again, this is also on Sabrary. In this particular course, you will get smartphone pen testing also. Okay, there is a module in this particular course, and over here you will learn scripting also, bash scripting also. Okay, so it will also give you how to do a penetration test with advanced features. Then you can go for this particular thing, which is Mitre attack framework. Okay, Mitre attack framework is what it gives you is it gives you a complete knowledge of cyber kill chain in the industry. Okay, how it actually works. Okay, there are so many modules in this particular thing, so you can get this on Sabrary also, or else you can go get it on Udemy or from any other website also. Okay, then don't skip try hack me. Okay, I'll be telling you how to go for it, so don't skip try hack me. Okay, make your streak of regular days. All right, don't lose try hack me for even a single day. Okay, then if you're going for certifications, first go for this certification. This is EJPT. EJPT stands for eLearn Security Junior Penetration Tester. Okay, it is one of the finest industry certifications. Okay, which gives you which will make you a proper penetration tester. Okay, ready to be accepted by the industries. Then go for CEH practical examination. See, CEH basic examination is nothing, and for what I said, it is not that worthy also. Okay, why? Because some of you have done CEH certifications. Okay, so you might have known how these certifications are. It is completely theoretical, right? So if you want to do CEH certification, go for CEH practical. Okay, in this what happens is there is 6 hours examination in which you can take 15 minutes of break. You will get 20 direct questions and you will get 5 machines to solve. Okay, and solving those 5 machines, you will have to answer those 20 questions. Okay, then go for a networking certification, that is CCNA in security. Okay, there are 2 versions of CCNA. First is just for networking guys, and another one is for the security guys. Okay, so go for the CCNA security certification. Then go for CCSP certified. What it stands for? I just forgot. Information security professional. What is that? I just forgot. Yeah, I was just remembering it. Okay, so just go for CCSP. I'll tell it what it was. Wait. Not okay. 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 Wait. I have just. You can go for CCSP. I just put a wrong thing. CCSP and CISP. Okay, this is certified cloud security professional and this is certified information security professional certification. So you can go for both. Okay, that is no, it is not CCISP. It was my mistake. Okay, so you can go for CCSP and CISP. Okay, you can go for both the things. Then your ultimate goal should be this particular thing. Okay, OSCP should be your ultimate goal. what happens over here, this is an exam of 48 hours. Okay, literally this is an exam of 48 hours. Okay, you'll get 5 machines, and what you need to do is you need to hack all those 5 machines, and then you need to make the report. Okay, and ultimately that report is what is accepted. Okay, so it is an exam of 48 hours. Okay, so this should be your final goal. So this is a walkthrough that according to me you should go for. Okay, it will make you a complete hacker, and then I'll be giving you one last walkthrough of TryHackMe also, how you will proceed over there. See, go to TryHackMe. Okay, then go to the learn part. Okay, then go to the search option over here. Over here select free only. Okay, and then go to difficulty and select first the info machines. Okay, what these info machines are, first you need to solve all these machines. Okay, there are 3 pages. Okay, solve all these particular machines. It will make you it will be, you will be ready as a you will be ready to proceed for penetration testing after this particular thing. Okay, so over here you will get penetration testing fundamentals also. Okay, there are 3 pages, and you need to solve all these things. Once you are done with this particular thing, go with the easy machines. Okay, you can go for this also, advent of cyber. There are 30 tasks in it, but it is up to you. Okay, then so there are 16 pages. Okay, solve all these things. After that, go for medium, hard, and insane. Okay, so don't lose the streak of TryHackMe. Okay, so this is according to me what you need to do. If you have any questions, you can ask me now regarding the internship or any other thing.
So there is an offensive pen testing path in TryHackMe also, no?
Yes, yes, there is. There is. Okay, anyone else with any question? Because this is our last class. Okay, no questions from anyone? Okay, no issues. So, okay. Ma'am, have you taken the attendance? Shafali ma'am, have you taken the attendance?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, interns, if you have any doubt, you can ask over here, or else you can ping me also, okay, on WhatsApp. And if you don't have any questions, you can leave. Thank you so much for being a part of this internship. Thank you. Thank you, Anusha ma'am. Thank you, Rishi sir. Thank you, Shivam sir.
Sir, since it's our last class, I
Yeah.
mean, sir, I wanted to ask that, sir, many of the job profiles, when we get the forms